Hello my hand tool freaks. This video will be a little bit different. From time to time some of you ask me about tools I have used in my projects. The most popular thing in my workshop is my hand-cranked drill press. A little bit dusty but still works fine. It was made by CFN about 8 years ago. CFN means Cieszyńska Fabryka Narzędzi. In English, tool factory from Cieszyn. By the way, Cieszyn is the city in the south of Poland. Unfortunately, it is only a copy of Ixion hand-cranked drill press. You can easily find it in the net. To work safe and stable, the base have 4 holes to screw it on the workbench top. I got 2 of them. The second drill press was found in my basement after I bought my house. That was a really nice surprise. The drill press is not so big, but it weighs about 26 kilograms. Heavy thing to carry, but that 26 kilograms brings the pleasure to work with it. The height of the chuck is fully adjusted and very simple. Please notice that I didn't do any restoration of it and it still works like a dream. Let's take a look inside. I know you want it, you little perverts. Do you see that ordinary screw? This was my only repair. The original pin was missing and that screw have the right size to fit. Without it, the higher gear don't work. Yes, I said higher gear because the drill press have 2 gears. And that's the way I can change them. To be honest, I always use the lower gear because it needs almost no effort to turn. Also, the drive wheel at the top makes drilling easier. Turning of the crank should be started with a faster turn. Without it, the spindle will be turning on the same height for all the time. And that's the moment you should look out. The spindle have the thread, and this thread have the end. You see? If the thread is over, the spindle is falling down. It can easily destroy the tip of your drill. Okay, let's make some tests. But first, let me screw that cover. This is small piece of steel. Let's drill the hole. Before I will start it, I reset the pressure knob. Now the drill doesn't work. In few steps, the right pressure of the press will be set. Sometimes I don't use any lubricant during drilling. I know how lubricants works, but that's my personal preference. You don't have to do the same. And now the second hole, all in real time. Test in steel is done. Now let's change the drill to make the test in wood. Changing is very simple. Just hold the chuck and turn the crank. That's all. Once again drilling in the real time. And that's the result. Not perfect, not the worst. It's good enough. Sometimes I use this drill press for threading small holes in steel or brass. If you want to see it, just look at my other videos. See you next time. Cheers.